How to pick music that will help you fall asleep. Listening to music can have many benefits when trying to fall asleep. The right type of music can help to relax the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Music can also provide a distraction from any outside noise that may be keeping you awake. It is important to choose music that is calming and does not have any lyrics that could keep you awake. If you are having trouble falling asleep, try listening to some soft music for a few nights and see if it makes a difference. There are a few things to keep in mind when choosing music to fall asleep to. Firstly, the music should be calm and relaxing. It should have a slow tempo and gentle melodies. Secondly, the music should not be too loud or too quiet. It should be at a level that is comfortable for you to listen to. Lastly, the music should not be too stimulating. It should not contain any lyrics or anything that could potentially keep you awake. With these things in mind, it is important to find music that you personally find relaxing. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. There are many different genres of music that can be effective for sleeping, so it is worth exploring until you find something that works for you. There are also many online resources that can help you find sleep-friendly music. Is it healthy to sleep with music on? Yes, sleeping with music on can be healthy for you. It can help to relax your mind and body and ease you into a restful sleep. However, it is important to choose the right kind of music to sleep with. If the music is too loud or energetic, it could keep you awake instead of helping you to sleep. Some people find that classical music is the best type of music to sleep with. The slow, calming rhythms can help to relax your mind and body and ease you into restful sleep. Other people find that soft rock or nature sounds are also good choices for sleeping music. Whatever type of music you choose, make sure that it is not too loud or fast-paced. You should also make sure that it is not repetitive or boring. Choose something that you enjoy listening to, and that will help you to relax. Listening to music can increase the amount of time you spend in deep sleep, which is the most restful stage of sleep. Choose soothing, relaxing music to listen to before bed, and avoid anything that is too stimulating or fast-paced.